Are you looking for the best box cutters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best box cutters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Slidewinder 0514 Mini Box Cutter. Our pick for the best box cutter is the Slidewinder 0514 Mini Cutter, which, as the name suggests, is a compact and lightweight option, but one you shouldn't underrate. Its rounded design is something different from the rusty box cutters you spied in your dad's toolbox growing up, and instead it boasts a modern aesthetic suitable for the modern world. It's got much more to it than mere style, though. The green blade button, aside from looking good, is easy to grip with a studded thumb grip to ensure easy blade deployment. This also ensures your safety, as the onboard magnet keeps it secure when not in use, and also provides a simple toolless blade change when, but more like if the blade dulls. The blade isn't made from your standard steel, which requires frequent sharpening and is prone to rusting and corrosion if not properly cared for. The Slice's ceramic blade holds its edge 11 times longer, ensuring high-quality performance for as long as you own it, and maybe even long after you're gone. At least you'll have something cool to leave your kids as an inheritance on top of your massive wealth, of course. The versatile construction means it's comfortable for both left and right-handed users without risking slippage or loss of cutting control. The finger-friendly blade also protects you and others from accidents. Especially when it's so sharp, you may not notice this accident until much later. The sharpness and versatility also contributes to its multi-tool application, making it more than a mere box cutter, but instead something you can and should have on you at all times. You may also be interested in some of the best craft scissors from our list, so be sure to check them out. Up next in the 4th place is the Outdoor Edge Slidewinder Utility Knife. The Outdoor Edge Slidewinder Utility Knife has to be one of the handiest tools for cutting simple materials. It provides a good number of functions that could be enjoyed by the average work rookie who loves to kill 2 birds with one stone. The textured, sturdy form promises to stay durable over time, with certain areas on its body working for diverse purposes. Included in the design is a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver, as well as a bottle opener and pocket clip. There's a strategically placed spring retractor that slides the blade out and springs it back in on demand. With a simple push of the button, the blade safely and suitably locks into position, serving as a reliable cutting tool. Made from sturdy glass-lined and steel materials, this compact, handy tool stores great in a good variety of places. Whether you choose to place it safely in a pantsuit pocket, a toolbox, cabinet, or a lonely shelf, this rugged mini cutter would fit and store perfectly. The compact design is a breath of fresh air from more clunky, chunky, and pricey options in the market. It equally fits perfectly in between the fingers or in the palms, and ultimately makes cutting materials such as foam, corrugated packages, cardboards, scrapbook materials, and of course, boxes quite simple. Stay on top of your cutting game with this cute little multitasker that gets the job done. The 3rd product on our list is the Slidewinder 4000 Box Cutter. Arguably the best box cutter we've found today or any other day is the Slidewinder 4000 Box Cutter. While expensive, hence its selection as the premium choice, we believe the amount of features and sheer reliability of the blade justifies this, giving you a ceramic box cutter you will fall in love with at first slice. For versatile cutting ability, you can select from 3 different blade positions, ranging from fully extended to 1/2, semi-protruding, and fully hidden. This allows you to tackle a variety of material thicknesses while also offering safety when the blade is not in use. The curved handle design also ensures comfort and control, providing you with a level of autonomy over your blade, which isn't always possible with slim finger grip handles or casing. Its zirconium oxide ceramic blade is sharp to ensure optimum performance, but also has a rounded tip to guarantee safety, even when you or your buddies are being a little too careless with it. This blade construction is also versatile and durable, with corrosion resistance and one slice being the equivalent to 20 slices of a single steel blade. With this in mind, it's unlikely you'll ever need to replace it. But if you do, you can feel confident you won't spend as much overtime as you would with steel. The locking blade system is also useful as it provides consistency regardless of how long or short your jobs are. It's expensive, but the results are superior, even compared to other, smaller slice products. And if you need something that offers excellent performance, everything single time for a variety of demands, the money you spend will be saved with the time you save. And what's more important than time? Make sure you also check our guide to the best paper shredders. Second on our list is the Slidewinder and One ceramic blade safety cutter. Whether you are purchasing a box cutter for commercial or domestic use, there's something about manufacturers that understand that a handy tool shouldn't only be efficient, but a bit fancy as well. We can see that in the Slidewinder and One ceramic blade safety cutter. The distinct clamshell design sets it apart from its counterparts, making it quite an attractive hand tool. Apart from the flaunting rights acquired from purchasing the Slidewinder and One, this sturdy piece is quite the small but mighty cutter. They are a safer option for cutting when compared to more traditional options. The blades can actually be safely handled without posing a risk to the fingers or palms. This does not take away from their viability, as the sturdy blades have been pre-sharpened for optimal performance. What's more, the blades are made from zirconium oxide. It's non-stick, non-porous, and has a strong resistance to bacteria. Made to practically and victoriously combat a good number of elements, the blade stays relevant even when exposed to salt, acids, or rusty surfaces. It has quite the resistance. While traditional metal knives and the likes make use of oil-based reinforcements to prevent rusting, these ceramic blades are free of such. This ensures your tool cabinet stays free of all oily substances. And guess what? These blades still fare a lot better in the long run and will not rust. To ensure a good grip, the exterior housing is well finished with a rubberized material that keeps the fingers firmly on the surface when cutting. This generally contributes to the fast and efficient cutting experience the Slidewinder and One promises to deliver at every point in time. Don't take our word for it. Try out this ceramic blade cutter, and its efficiency will speak for itself. Finally, the top product on our list is the Cosco Easycut cutter knife. Shifting over to other brands and styles, the Cosco Easycut cutter knife is the first self-retracting box cutter on our list, and is as stylish as box cutters can be. Anyway option that would fit comfortably into any rolling toolbox or craft drawer around the country. At just 2.4 ounces, it boasts a lightweight design easy to handle and carry, which is especially useful when on the go moving between job sites. However, it's still not so light you forget it's in your pocket, so there's no risk of throwing it in with the week's laundry. The retractable blade is easy to use, and the edge guide ensures accuracy when cutting. The Easycut blade design provides the best performance possible and is reliable to ensure fast and efficient cutting, which is always reliable. This guarantees you have an automatic box cutter that is safe, especially after use, intuitive, and careful with whatever materials you need to cut, from thick cardboard to slim plastic packaging, with consistent results every time. While the blade is steel, which we know isn't as durable as ceramic, it still holds its edge well enough for decent longevity. And the built-in blade storage makes it easy to replace the initial blade once it's too dull for the performance you expect. Unlike other box cutters, which while they boast a plethora of cool and useful features, the Cosco Easycut does all this without sacrificing quality. With it, you get a low-cost option you can trust that maintains high functionality whether you use it every day or whenever your package arrives, so you can open it with ease, despite how rushed and excited you might be. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.